Sweden, the scene has just a touch of Jurassic Park about it. A gaggle of identical SUVs sit in a queue, in the middle of a remote forest, with a light drizzle falling on their glass moonroofs, the vehicle's occupants waiting for something to happen. But the dinosaur has been banished. The one these wooden stairs were built for. The original XC60 was Volvo's first SUV, and the most demanding feats of the off-road test course here at Volvo's test center north of Gothenburg were tailored to display its abilities in 2002. Now, a white new generation XC60 T8 is perched atop the stairs, and it negotiates the descent down, step by step, without its front bumper ruining its finish. A paved 31-degree climb is quickly dealt with, the XC60's hill descent control keeping progress at a walking pace on the way down. Immediately after clearing the obstacle course and demonstrating the new XC60's creak-less body rigidity on some especially terrible road sections, Volvo has painstakingly recreated for its test center, a pine-grey turbo and supercharged T6's whisked to 150 miles per hour on the bank ovals surrounding the premises. The testing showcases the two things a European-built SUV is designed to do. In addition to a life on cobblestone streets, it has to play well on the Autobahn, and it has to manage the beaten, and beaten up, path to a Scandinavian cottage in the woods. An adjustable air suspension helps, and an off-road mode that raises the suspension by 1.6 inches. A decade ago, Volvo started work on its new SPA platform, which stands for Scalable Product Architecture. Despite maintaining a visual connection to its predecessor, especially around the C-pillar, the new XC60 is an SPA-based car, and as such it's all four-cylinder just like its platform sisters S90, V90 and XC90, with the 400-horsepower T8 twin-engine hybrid version available. The XC90's design language has been translated to a smaller size, giving the front a more aggressive and purposeful look compared to the old XC60, and the interior is also a sort of a reinterpretation of the XC90's interior, in a snugger fit. It's still spacious, and the light leather Volvo has chosen for these demonstration cars makes the cabin look especially airy, with the glass roof doing its part. The other new platform is the compact CMA, which will include a full electric car, according to Volvo R&D VP Henrik Green. The SPA platform's full electrification doesn't yet have a set date. Keeping its Vision 2020 Zero Fatality initiative in mind, Volvo has a new challenge with semi-autonomous tech invading cars. Starting with the blind spot assist blit, there are 3 steering assists in the XC60. The automatic braking introduced in the city safety assist is now paired with steering assist to help avoid a sudden object, and there is an oncoming lane mitigation assist, which steers the car back from the wrong lane. The former operates from 31 miles per hour to 62 miles per hour, the latter from 37 miles per hour to 87 miles per hour. The safety belts automatically tighten as the car's sensors hint of an impending accident, even in the hands of a seasoned test driver on the course. Volvo's plan is to keep the driver alert despite packing the car with assistive tech, instead of the driver zoning out and mentally taking the back seat. A semi-autonomous highway driving mode called Pilot Assist is an option.
If